This feels like a Hunger Games. Be careful with it.
Someone grab Shania's bag.
Careful with it. Because my inhalers and that thing gets damaged, we're all screwed. Thing's expensive, even with insurance.
Oh, I forget. Ow. I can't look it up. Where'd my bag go? But I told you have the natural entrance.
Oh my God, Dom, how did you get in here?
It's like this big. And then they look at the gold.
That's it.
Shania, basically,
I'm sinking down, hang on.
yeah, you have about 2, maybe 3 feet.
That's it. That's it. Now get your other leg through. Now as you wiggle in,
Oh my God.
you can grab
Yeah,
the rock there and then pull yourself up a little bit into the hole. You're through. You got the tough part done.
It's like pushing against my chest right now.
Yeah, there you go.
Dude, I don't know where my foot's gonna land.
You have literally like 8 inches.
Oh my God, my feet are gonna get stuck in here.
No, you're fine.
Holy crap, I made it. Without dying.
Yes, you did.
I did it, guys!
Awesome.
Oh, my back.
Awesome.
Oh, my wrist and my knee and my back. Where's my bag at?
Anywhere since
I think she's a little bit excited.
the beginning of the year.
Okay, we're going to go down there and take the walking passage. When you get down,
Go first because
there's a rock you do just kind of like climb over, make a right, and walk down there.
which of the rights is it going on?
Once you go over the rock, yeah, right there, and go to the right. I'm sorry, no, you're going too far. Right there. Yeah.
Well, I figured eventually you'd be down here. Would I drop down?
Yeah. All that you would do is wind up going in circles.
Yeah. I toured out west, like the walking tour of YOUCave, and they're like, oh yeah. So many passages in there.
Oh yeah. That must have been nice.
What's that about? About 10 years ago. I can't nice things.
Okay, when you get down there, you'll see a hole in the wall on the left-hand side.
Yeah.
We're eventually going to go in there. But if you want to watch them climb up there, you could just move on down there where you are and watch them come up.
Oh, y'all are so lucky. I think that's the right spot. Yes, because right next to him is like a pit that goes down into different rocks. But to be fair, the rest of them are
All right. Have to be careful up there, okay? There's a drop off. There's a drop off there. Yeah, actually it's a lot safer to come back this way, but they're going to come up here.
These are so dirty.
Right up here.
Everyone else? Alright, how did you come up here?
I basically just army.
I thought this was the left that you told me to go.
No, I'm sorry. It's right behind me. You could try that if you want to, but it drops down real fast.
Yeah, I see that.
Well, you're gonna have to.
Here, there's a grip. Kind of.
Oh, jeez.
Right there.
Oh, my.
Alright, thanks, Mom.
How hold you still when you get up?
Ow, I just hit my toe on the rock. Oh, that hurts so bad.
There's rocks in here?
Yes, there's so many.
I'm gonna go with the angel.
I just realized you're being sarcastic, Dad.
Brady would be enjoying just being with the fly on the wall.
I'm working on it.
Just to listen.
I have to wait for your
What's the
brother.
name? Cave squirts? What? Is that what you said?
Can't tell. Cave spiders.
Yeah, it's like insane.
Right there. Right here.
Here they come.
Alright, there you go. Just keep going straight.
You're doing good. Look at us.
Yeah.
Pass me the bags in right there. I'm gonna be stuck, bro. Like in 3 seconds.
You good?
Alright. Hey guys, watch out, big man's about to come through.
Alright, well, give us a minute, dude.
Yeah, no, I'm gonna let you all take a little bit.
That's
Oh,
the
that's pretty
entertainment.
good.
Where are you at?
Over
Why?
here.
Why?
I don't know.
7 inches.
Sorry, son. If I pass bags up,
Threw a
bro.
foot in the ear and doesn't know
Hey, what's up,
how
yo?
to use it.
Alright, don't start passing bags.
No. I need to get out this little
We got one
situation.
bag.
Dude, I'm gonna crash out, bro.
I'm gonna wait till y'all are done, because I'm gonna be able to.
Alright. Moving it up.
Come on up this way.
Alright.
Come up here towards me. You're doing good.
Alright.
Alright, Dom. Alright, got
Ow, there's a
I'm
rock there.
standing right now.
Alright, we got one there for
How'd you get concussed?
We have a system done with bags over here.
First time in here.
Teamwork. There we go.
I'm pushing up.
Kinda jealous of you right now. How hard was it to get up there though?
Yeah, there was a little bit of.
Alright, you guys better grab your own bags then, alright?
Yeah. Yeah.
Are y'all ready? Alright, I'm gonna come up here.
Alright.
You get a person that left my bag in there.
Do not.
This
Go
is
back
so
and get
much
it.
harder than it looks. I'm being dead serious. Oh, my arms
I
are
have my
killing me.
ideas.
My arm muscles are burning.
I just shut the wall.
Dude, your arm
Man, I
is
was like,
hurting.
Alright, can I
there's
pass
a
my
good
bag
shot
up
at
to
the
you?
end that I don't know about.
Go behind her.
Should I move?
Probably.
Yes. Get out of the way.
Move!
She's right at your feet.
Yeah, should I move?
Yeah, come on back this way.
Can you grab that? Oh. Are you freaking kidding me?
Nowhere there?
Uh-oh.
Come on, bro.
Nope.
What happened?
My back on a hole.
There's so much dirt in my
I got it!
Yay!
You need
I
help?
go through that crawl space.
Got it.
What's the best way down here?
Why would
You just turn around and slide
I thought
down.
there was an area there. Can someone grab that?
Yeah, give me that. You get down on the
Careful with that.
ground.
Hang on, dude. I gotta drink up some stuff.
Hey! There's a hole there.
Yeah. Give him a minute.
That's it.
Hi.
Catch. Slide it up the rock here.
I'm looking on it. Alright, pass
See
it
what I
here.
did, Mariah?
Alright, here's the next one.
And we're headed that
We
way.
got 3 more. We got 3 more bags.
I'm not carrying them all.
Well, we need to get them up here somehow. Alright, guys, we're going on rocks up here. Wait, that one. Alright, Mario, go, hurry. Alright, you all your bags on this rock up here. I'm telling you that now.
Okay,
So,
grab.
there's a giant hole where my bag fell.
You want to get lower than. Okay.
It's good.
That should be interesting.
This is going to be dangerous. Oh, hi, Seth.
Hello.
You chilling
You're
there?
just chilling there.
Good time.
Hey, if you want to drop down. I'm sure I can catch you. Quiet and like the rest, no.
Oh, my
Let's get
God.
mine down over here. Because I see scratch marks on the ceiling.
Good. Don't fall down and like.
Alright, pass some bags.
Okay.
There's 1. There's 2 and there's 3. Oh, God.
I'm gonna go through.
Okay. So,
Oh, that is right.
There's 1
Shania,
drop.
look where you're stepping.
I see.
We're gonna go through this hole here, okay?
And
I'm
that's
gonna go
deeper
through
than you
first.
think it is.
That is
My
deeper.
leg went completely down.
Yeah, hold on, you're clear. I did it! Alright, careful. I see it.
Yeah, this is not.
Alright, careful.
saying?
And we're gonna go low.
Like this way?
We're gonna go down, that's a drop.
Okay.
You wanna avoid that. You can either go back and come this way, or if you wanna try to climb over here, you can do that. There you go. We're gonna come in here, take a little break.
Don and Wyatt.
I think you guys can all like reach down.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
You keep. Why do people keep almost kicking me in the face?
Because you're behind us, we have long legs.
Yeah, don't get too close. You're gonna get kicked with a boot, muddy boot
Or a shoe.
or a shoe.
Which I'm wearing.
You in her case.
Done that.
You didn't even hold my leg here.
Ouch, son of a gun. If I'm in one rock and that hurt. So badly.
There's a lot more.
This one right here.
Yeah.
I'm working on it.
Here. Go down.
I'll talk to somebody about moving that rock. Okay.
It's deeper than you think. You're gonna fall.
Hey,
Right, I'm not dramatic. That actually hurt.
nothing's broken. You're not bleeding.
Hey,
Hey guys!
Oh man.
we're good.
A little
It just
scrape.
hurt.
I have an ace bandage in my backpack if you really want to wrap your knee that bad.
I'm good. It just hurt. It's still
So there's no way
fine.
walking.
Is there any nearby rock? Little areas that we're on?
Mariah, how much
We're
water?
gonna go this way. Okay.
Do I
We're
need
gonna go up.
I don't know.
do I need
and
to
then-
put my bag in front of me?
No, I don't. I think you can fit through the next one.
I should just get
Do you guys have my bag?
Yeah, you guys gotta have to move away from there.
Alright.
Come away from. He's
there's
over
Wyatt.
top of you.
Nothing's in there, that's.
Alright, where's Dom's bag?
Oh, I think it's back there.
Can someone grab it?
Can
Like,
somebody grab the purple bag? That's all back there.
like in the cave?
No,
Or
it's
like,
just where Jacob put them.
Alright.
I made it.
Oh, this is a cool little sitting area.
Alright, where's my bag at?
Alright, there's Dom's. How's here? Alright, there's Dom's and
Good.
Wyatt's.
I'm gonna take a water break real quick.
Yeah.
Can you hand me my bag?
Stay
Dad, do
hydrated.
you have any water?
Tomic's bag.
Dom, can I have some water?
Yeah, hand me.
Mariah, please, I want you to drink at least some of it. You need to stay hydrated more than anything else.
Trust me, water will help you get through this whole thing.
Hi, Jacob. Just put
Hi.
you're gonna show right there.
You know when I was a kid, my mom said I never crawled. I just slid across the floor with my forearms. Like an arm.
I'm so glad Bill told me you
That's
were
a
out
poor
of
baby.
control.
I am. And you got that other
Yo, does that look like an avocado?
It kind of does. It really does look like an avocado.
It's a water hole, isn't it? Well, my light isn't shining like bright enough for it.
There should be two settings. See if that's
There it goes.
is that better. Okay.
Yeah, it's being well, I've gone through my two settings. Blind and blinded.
Mine is still on.
Just make sure everybody stays hydrated because it's very easy to sweat it out.
Yeah, I'm already sweating like crazy.
This in here.
Thank God I packed deodorant too.
Wait, we're violating that one rule.
What's that?
The no,
Sweating
don't
one.
leave a trace. You
Mom, you
said
comfortable up there?
don't sweat.
Oh, that's
Yeah, I'm having a tough time with that today.
I'm so dirty.
Sorry, wait.
Mom
are
be
we-
like, what did y'all go through? I said, Mom, we went caving. It was muddy. It was nice and muddy.
That looks like a bowling pin.
Where are we going?
You
We're
just
gonna
see-
head that direction.
Lovely,
I
we're
can
going.
go over there. Through here.
There or there?
Yeah.
There.
Dom is just gonna chill. Dom, that's from his bed, by the way.
Can
He's
I-
sleeping there
Can I
tonight.
down?
You can start heading
I mean,
down there and poke
I
around if
could
you
sleep
want.
here. This is
There's
actually-
going to be a little bit of an incline to your left
Oh, lovely.
when you get to this,
I
and
really
then
might not grab my
when you
knees.
go up that incline, there's a way
Don't
on the
freeze
right-hand
off, put it
side
on
to
your
climb
arms.
through,
Put the
to crawl
backpack on before you
through to the
drop.
hole.
Oh, we've got all arms.
Wait.
Oh, I did not grab my knee brace and it is trying
So,
to hit in
Once we get through this little rock, are we heading that way or this way?
We're going that way.
Okay.
Okay, why are you next?
Well, that's
the
why I sit
incline.
down for a couple more seconds.
Nothing
I would
means
go
nothing
though.
and bright.
Alright.
And then right, left,
You know what, actually.
go up the incline and make a right.
My hair
My
is.
head is so sweaty.
Yeah, my hair is sweaty.
I'm already not grabbing a band-aid before I left the house.
And we made fun of Seth for putting a do rag on.
Yeah, I didn't. Okay, it makes sense to put one right here.
I did.
But that's you, Jacob. Okay, I'm regretting not grabbing one.
I'm used to wearing ball cap though.
I have very thick hair, so I'm sweating like crazy currently. Footing. Put you on first.
Are you struggling there, bro?
No, I'm not, Jacob. I'm perfectly fine.
He wasn't talking to you.
Okay, well listen, shush. I don't know who you were talking to.
Me?
My bad. What's up? Give me your bag.
No, I'm good.
The uncoordinated
Yeah.
coming through.
Yeah, it's not in play. It's just
Okay, I'm just trying to be helpful.
grips are.
Oh, lovely.
You got it.
Go, bro.
You got it. You never.
I don't know how this is gonna happen for me, but you good?
Yeah.
Here's the thing,
That was not a good idea.
Yeah, like a... HP4 beauty.
No, you should throw that in your bag if you're struggling with it. We're going up the hill now?
Yep, up the incline and to the right. Not all the way up.
Same thing.
As you're going up the incline, you'll see a hole that you can crawl through on the right-hand side.
I think this is it.
Hold on, let me get up there. And I can let you know which one's which. Actually, they all go to the same place.
This way?
Yep, that's it.
Feet first or face first?
I go head first. It's an easy.
We're belly sliding, guys.
It's an easy hands and knees crawl.
I probably should have put this in my bag before.
Yeah.
Because this is a nice one.
Go all the way down?
So.
You can stand up in the hallway. Where you can stand up.
Too long of a rope for this bag.
What is that?
That's the reason I didn't wear a bag.
I should have, but.
And usually I'm the one